Double shapes.
You want to do the alphabet again?
Double shape.
Okay. What's this?
A, B, C, E,
No, this letter.
D, E, F, G, O, M,
What letter is this?
M, L,
What letter is that?
K,
Good. What's this?
J, I, T,
What letter is this? Okay. What letter is this?
C,
What letter is this?
D, U,
This?
Another one.
Ethan, how old are you?
One.
Ethan, you're not one. How old are you?
Two.
Can you show me? Can you show me?
Me. Me.
Help you?
Uh-huh.
All right, let's go to sleep.
Me.